Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tannu Srivastava. In this video, I am sharing the key points of Chapter 2, Windows 10 and the Chapter 3, Working with Tables. Windows is an operating system. It is also the system software. The first GUI edition of the Windows was introduced in year 1985. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, and the first Windows was Windows 1.0. Windows 10 is the latest version of the Windows, was released on the dated 29 July 2015. The enhanced search tool called the Cortana enables you to search anything on your system or the web directly. The application Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, movies, music, photos, etc. We can create multiple desktops for the different set of applications by using the Task View button. Snap Assist is the feature that help you to rearrange your windows to make the best use of your screen space. Multiple windows we can see on the screen at the same time. Windows Hello feature allow you to access your computer by showing your face, fingerprint or the iris. That means using that we can provide security to our system or the device. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. We can move the taskbar in all directions. Taskbar holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock or a group of other icons. Icons are the pictorial representation of data and programs. This PC gives you a complete view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. Shortcut icon has a small jump arrow to its lower left corner. Universal app is the apps that work on all devices from phone to high-powered desktop PCs. Personalized option is used to change the appearance of the desktop. Now the chapter 3. The combination of row and column is called the table. The intersection of row and column is called the cell. We use insert tab to insert the table. Table move handle is used to select the entire table placed at the upper left corner. Table resize handle is used to resize the table placed at the bottom right corner of the table. Formatting controls the overall appearance of the table. That means we can change their size, style, design, place, etc. Now the split cell is used to divide the selected cell into separate cells or the multiple cells. Merge cell is used to combine multiple cells into the single cell. Merge cell and split cell option we get in the layout tab. We can insert a picture in a table using the insert tab. We can do the calculation in MS Word using the layout tab. In the layout tab we get the formula option. Using that we can do the calculation. The function key F9 is used to update the calculation in table. Thank you.